Hi, my name is Kasey, and we are Team Non-Pot. The fundamental problem that we're trying to solve is the trade-off in eating options between eating healthy and eating conveniently. Today, you are forced to choose convenience. You are microwaving frozen meals from Trader Joe's, ordering in from DoorDash, or going to Chipotle. You shouldn't have to sacrifice health. You deserve to eat a healthy, home-cooked meal any day of the week, regardless of your busy schedule. Introducing Non-Pot. Non-Pot is a line of frozen, healthy one-pot meals that combines the convenience of frozen with the health of home-cooked. We start with healthy, raw ingredients, take care of all the prep so you don't have to, put everything in a freezer so you can just take it out when it's most convenient for you, and you will have a healthy meal that is cooked for the very first time in your home. Just toss everything into one pot and let it simmer. We are already selling in Boston today, and when you place an order, our team gets to work.
Hi, I'm Zach, and I'll cut up your onions and your carrots.
I'm Neha. I'll package your turkey chili and your chicken pho.
I'm Ed. I've been banned from being in the kitchen, but I'll deliver your non-pot straight to your door.
In the future, we will be in the Whole Foods and Trader Joe's, but today, you can order online right now at nonpotmeals.com. Check us out. Thank you.